In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and let me show you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and now click on privacy right here. Then select Virgin Mobile and click on change SIM pin. So first of all, you need to enter the current one, the pin that you're using right now. In my case it's 1234. Tap on confirmation mark, click on OK, and it is time to enter this new one. So we can enter, for example, 2580 and tap on OK. Then you have to re-enter this pin. Okay, so one more time. And that's it. As you can see, SIM pin has been changed, so now you can smoothly use this new one. And that would be all. This is how you can customize SIM pin. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.